How about we go through ForgeBox module?
Yes, I agree. So, ForgeBox module of the week is a LogBox logging library, an oldie but a goodie. And quick fun fact, Eric, I think this might have been the first Ortus library I've ever used. I had a need to do
Not
a bunch of,
uncommon. Not
yeah,
uncommon.
I had to do logging in a let's just say it's a legacy site years ago, and LogBox was awesome. And I've been loving it ever since. So LogBox, if you don't know, we just released version 7.2.0, which has 4,500 installs in the last 12 months. It's an enterprise CFML logging library designed to give you lots of flexibility, simplicity, and power when logging your apps. It is part of the ColdBox Platform suite, but you can use it standalone. That's okay. I did for a long time until I was able to finally use ColdBox. You can do all sorts of appenders. You can log to anything from the file system to databases to all sorts of remote places. Slack, Raygun, Sentry, Stashbox.
Stashbox.
But yeah, Cashbox. But check it out.
Also, I'd love the plug. I did a CFCast series, LogBox 101, which will take you through setting this up from scratch in a non-ColdBox context and then in the ColdBox context. Writing your own appenders. I think we make a Slack appender or an email appender, one of the two, maybe both. I should have looked that up before I said it. To Slack with a custom appender, because there's already a built-in email appender. Good job, Eric. But anyways, if you are a CSCast subscriber, you can go watch that right now. And if you're not, 20% off annual
What's that you
memberships.
say? 20% off annual membership to CFCast?
We have lost all our viewers by how many times we've tried to turn this joke.
That was our ForgeBox module of the week, brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.